Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, the Institute of Nutrition and Fitness Sciences. I'm Ketki and I'm here today with another insightful topic on fitness, nutrition and health. Age is just a number, not to a woman, right? Ask women how old they are and they might just ignore you or even pretend not to have heard you, no matter how loudly you have asked them the question. Now, if you're wondering why she's suddenly talking about age, then let me clear the air. In today's video, we are looking at a change that both men and women face as they age, and that is the loss of muscle mass. Digging into the topic a little deeper, we will find out if women tend to lose muscle mass at an earlier age than men. Towards the end of this video, you will also receive a couple of tips to avoid this muscle loss. One of the most evident effects of aging is a loss of muscle mass and strength known as sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is likely caused by multiple factors that harm physical functions. A few factors that are responsible in its development include reduction in nerve cells, lower concentration of hormones, and a decrease in the ability to turn protein into energy. Sarcopenia is associated with various consequences such as impaired performance, increased vulnerability, and frailty. It can increase the risk of falls and injury. Consequently, it can lead to functional disability and dependency. Muscle mass decreases approximately 3% to 8% per decade after the age of 30, and this rate of decline is even higher after the age of 60. A decrease in muscle mass is accompanied by a progressive increase of fat mass, which consequently changes the body composition. And all of this is associated with an increased incidence of insulin resistance in the elderly. Now, let us find out if women tend to lose muscle mass earlier than men. Various factors can contribute to the condition of sarcopenia, and gender differences is one of them. According to a study, it was observed that there was a significant increase in sarcopenia with increasing age in both the genders, but it was more prevalent in women of the youngest age group. Another study showed an earlier decrease in skeletal muscle, organ mass, and resting energy expenditure in women as compared to men. This difference is attributed to age and gender-related endocrine changes. There is a decline in testosterone levels in both the genders as they age, contributing to the onset of muscle loss. There is a considerable difference in the testosterone levels of the elderly and young women. Besides this, estrogen is also lost at a rate of 80% per year in postmenopausal women. So, we can conclude that women do lose muscle mass earlier than men. Now, let us find out how women can avoid losing this muscle mass. The key for overcoming any health or fitness issues is nutrition and exercise. The solution to sarcopenia is no different. While nutrition provides the fuel to muscle, exercise is what strengthens it. Inactive lifestyle accelerates the process of muscle loss. So, the best way to limit the extent of muscle loss is by staying physically active throughout life. Simply put, muscle loss in women can be countered with resistance training. Here's another reason for women to lift weight. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you have found this video informative, hit the like and share button and subscribe to our channel to get more information on fitness, health, and nutrition.